product was easy to assemble. I accidentally bought the Celsius instead of Fahrenheit version, but I've been able to work that out. I started at a lower temp, 60 and 70, worked up to 80, then 85, and now using the product on high at 90. If you have mobility issues, I recommend using this on a bed, rather than the floor. Exercise care with the mat, which can feel quite hot between the stones. It will only heat up to 80, but it's still hot. I did end up finally using a towel. I don't know if this impacts the benefits of the healing stones, but I would not recommend using this without a towel. The mesh surface also gets uncomfortable. Showering before use is recommended, and I concur. The product is white leather like vinyl and you're sweating on it. This is another reason I recommend using a towel. Also be careful about touching the dome inside. It is also hot. I got a good sweat going at 90. I used it for approximately 40 minutes. Someone else said they had trouble moving the upper panels. Attach the curtain to the inside before you start. The easiest way is to lay the upper panel on its end and press it on from the inside. The upper dome/panel has little wheels on the bottom. If you align them along the sides of the mat, you can just roll the upper dome back over the lower dome when you are done, or to adjust the position of the upper dome while you are in it. I like to lie with my arms outside after having them under the dome for a while. You may need to reattach the Velcro curtain if you move your arms in and out, but it's fairly simple. The Velcro curtain also has a flap in the middle that you can adjust as close to your body as possible to prevent heat from escaping or going back toward your neck/face area. Even with my head and arms out, I sweat aplenty at 90. This dome may not be the best option for those with mobility issues, or who have trouble getting up from a seated or flat position on the floor. An upright tent you can sit in and keep your head and arms out may be a better option for those with certain health conditions. The cords connected to the unit from the box can become an issue since they insert near the foot of the unit and the box is kept near the head so you can reach controls. This means the cords are hanging across/in front of the unit. This won't be an issue if you have it on the floor, but it is an issue if you have it on an elevated surface, like a bed. I have to step over the cords to get to the unit, since I opted to put it up on an unused bed after trying it out on the floor. So far, I have not had any technical or mechanical issues or problems. The unit seems sturdy and well made. I wipe it down after use and move the two domes onto their ends on either corner of the bed to let the mat air/dry out. So far, I am having a positive experience with this purchase, with the exception of FedEx. FedEx left this package in my front yard. The packaging was damaged. Thankfully, the manufacturer packaged it well and there didn't seem to be any damage to the sauna. I hope the manufacturer will consider getting a different carrier. If you are taller than 5 feet 8 inches, then your entire body won't fit comfortably. Other than that, it works great and I love it. Excellent seller communication. Click on the link below to see price.